y'all, I just ran down the stairs. Oh my gosh, I should not be that out of breath running down the stairs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy weekend. Today is Saturday. It is October. It is the first weekend in October, y'all. So the main thing on my goal list today, I recently got some floating shelves installed in here in the family room because I thought they just go great with the decor and everything. So I want to go out today to get some things to style that shelf. So I already have like 4 things that I want to incorporate because I do want to still put it as part of like my fall decor. So I want to have like the pumpkins, but then I wanted to have like a nice little cozy vibe. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. But my fall video just recently dropped, and I want to say thank you guys so much for all of your love and support on that video. Like, it is doing really well. And sometimes with YouTube, if you do not post like regularly during the week, they can knock you out of the algorithm and you don't get as much really playtime and stuff. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for commenting. I appreciate it so much. And I also gained a lot of new subscribers from that video, so welcome to the family. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. And of course, my OD Daisies, thank you guys so much as always for continuing to support me regardless to what type of video I'm posting. So we are doing a decorating video today though. Like I said, we're working on the floating shelves, so we're about to go out and do that, and I'm going to show you what I already have for it. But I also want to show you my fall nails. They're chocolate, y'all. I am loving chocolate this season. You know, that's the new color that I incorporated into this room. So when I went to the nail shop and I saw it, I was like, I am feeling that color. Like, I want chocolate nails. So these are my fall nails, at least for the next 3 weeks. You know what I'm saying? But oh y'all, my arm. It's a workout holding this tripod. What else? I haven't eaten anything today. I've been calling myself lately doing intermittent fasting. So it is 11:53 in the morning. I haven't eaten anything yet. So my first meal of the day, I'm gonna go by City Barbecue because I've been craving their smoked turkey and collard greens. So that's what we're gonna go get. And also, y'all, with the intermittent fasting, my birthday is coming up. So I have been on a journey to lose weight, and I have been doing really good. So I'm really trying to stick to it. Like, I got 60 days to the magic number. 60 days to the magic number, y'all. But let me show you guys the shelving so that you can see what I'm talking about and like my vision for how I want to, you know, style everything. So these are the 2 shelves. They are wooden black floating shelves that I got from Hobby Lobby. Actually, I ordered these from Hobby Lobby. They are the 36 inch, and then they have 24 inches. But these are the 36 inch ones. I just thought they go really good with the vibe of my family room. The black shelving, I thought about getting wood, but I realized that I could decorate and accent this shelf with wood. So that's what I plan to do. All right, so let me lift my tripod, y'all. I need a taller tripod. Anyway, so I already have these pumpkins that I want to put on the shelf. I have this little off-white one here. And then this is the one that I picked up from Kirkland's. I was gonna take it back, but I decided to keep it once I got the shelving installed because I do want to put pumpkins on each one of those shelves. And it's chocolate, so I was like, you know what, it was only $6.99. Why not just keep it? So I am gonna go ahead on and keep this one, and I'm gonna have both of these to add to the styling. I had purchased these pictures from Kirkland's about, it's been maybe almost a year ago. And I didn't know what to do with them. Well, I had a vision when I bought them, but now that I am looking at my shelving, I want to put these on the floating shelves. So I have this one right here, which is really pretty. These are just nice little abstract pictures. And then this one as well. It can go sideways or you can turn it upside down. So I love both of these. And they weren't that expensive either. They really weren't. So when he was putting my shelving up, I made sure that it would be able to fit both of these on the shelf, that I had enough spacing in between to add the pictures that I wanted to. So we'll do a close-up. Super cute. and then this one as well. And I love that it already has all the colors that I want to use. So I have customer appreciation at the moment. Oh, this is a Christmas ornament. It's really cute. I have these little things which are cute, but they need to be a different color. I don't want to put black on black. Maybe can find some shelf decor back here. Oh, if I want to do like a plant. These are cute. I like this. I will start working when my coffee does. This is cute. A cute little lamp would fit. That'd be different. It's cute. It's so little. But I don't want the plug to hang. So I would need to get a battery operated one. I have these are wooden and they're cute. I could do 2 of these. I could do these 2 side by side. So these are cute, maybe an idea. I wish these were wood. If these were wood, these would make a huge statement. Oh, I love the chunky ropes. Christmas decorations are out. So I guess fall has come and now everybody's ready to buy everything for Christmas. This color coded is pretty. The charcoal, white, gold, chocolate. They have the velvet ornaments in my colors and it's so pretty. I don't know about paying $8 though, but alright, y'all, I just placed my order at City Barbecue. I am starving. It is now almost 2 o'clock and I need food. If you have a Raising Cane's and you know how good Raising Cane's Texas toast is, City Barbecue's Texas toast is just as good as Raising Cane's. I love Raising Cane's, really just for the toast. So my sampler platter also comes with a Texas toast, which is why I purposely didn't eat today, because I know I'm finna run up the carbs. But more so, yeah, I'm finna run up the carbs and the calories with the fried okra and the Texas toast, and that's okay, because I'm playing the day out. It's fine. Please be my food. Perfect. Thank you. Same to you. It smells amazing. The fried okra is hot. I can already feel it. Okay. Alright, y'all. So while I was gone, Amazon delivered 2 coffee table books that I ordered, and I'm excited for it to go on my bookshelf. I've been wanting to get more coffee table books anyway. And now I had the perfect excuse. So, I gotta put Amazon packages on the floor to open them, because sometimes, baby, they have like a little critter in them. All right. Okay, so the first one is Live Beautiful. Love this book. It's off-white. That's my theme. It's off-white. So it's gonna be really pretty from the side like this. But I think a lot of people probably have this book already. I think this is a staple home decor book, and the picture on top really pretty. So even if I was to use it on my coffee table, like switch the books out, this top picture right here is beautiful. So it's gonna go this way on my bookshelf. And then the second one, let me see. Hurry up. Now this one I was like, oh snap. Not that making chocolate coffee table books now. So I really don't think I was supposed to open it like that. But anyway, the second one I got is called Call It Home. Oh, I just love this rich chocolate. I don't know why I'm so just fascinated by it. Oh, this is really pretty. So it's gonna lay this way. If you can see the black against the cocoa, so pretty. Actually goes with my nails as well. That has nothing to do with nothing. So yeah, these are my 2 books that I got for the shelving. Yeah, that's gonna be dope. So Amazon has some other cute things that I could order for up there, because honestly y'all, when I was out today, I really didn't find much. It kind of was a bust. Jalen and I are gonna ride out to Snellville, which is a totally different area, tomorrow, or maybe later tonight, because it's only like 6, because we have to get something else to eat anyway. So I might go into the at-home store, and their home goods, they have a really good home goods in that area. And then I think they also have a Tuesday morning. I think they have a Tuesday morning. So hopefully I find some more things, but we're gonna go ahead on and decorate the shelf with what I have, and that way while I'm out I can see exactly what I want and what I need, because right now I think I'm just visualizing without a plan. And I just, yeah, if I do like a mock setup, that'll give me a better idea. So let's start decorating the bookshelf. And y'all, Amazon also had AD at 100, the Architectural Digest book, on sale for like $60 something. If you're familiar with that book, it's regularly like almost 90 bucks once you get through paying for it. So I had seen it and I was like, oh, that would be perfect, you know, to go on here. I was gonna get it, it was on sale, went back for it, and baby, it is completely out of stock. Not happy about that. So as soon as it comes back in stock, hopefully it'll still be on sale for like $60, and then we will add it up here, because I really want that book. But I just was really not trying to pay $90 for it, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, so let's put this one here. And then I want to put this one on top of it. Yeah, that was my vision with the books. So this picture, I think it's too tall to go up here, because y'all can't even see that. But anyway, it's too tall to go up here because I don't want it that close to my curtains. So I'm gonna, yeah, turn it this way. I like that. I did pick up these 2 what are these, pillars from Kirkland's. I don't know, like, I feel like I definitely need that book, that AD book, or another one here. I don't want to just buy random ones. I want to get like either the AD book or the LV book or something like that here. Like I wanted like really nice book up here. Okay, this is not going as planned. I pulled this out of my bag of goodies that I actually was gonna give away, but it actually looks really good here, and I like it because it's ceramic. So I'm gonna get a dough bowl to go here if I can find one, and then this will be raised some, and up here this is temporary. I think this might be okay. I'm gonna move this over some more, and get something to go like right here that has a little height. Like again, something more than likely is gonna be ceramic. But we're off to a start. This is like the one that I have on the entryway table. And then this is pretty. And there's this one right here. I do like this, but the shelf is already black. All right, y'all, this one is a little brown. It kind of has some color. I think I want to try this one and see what it looks like. I don't know if it's going to be big enough though. So I just picked this vase up from Hobby Lobby. I think it's so cute, and I actually think this might be the one, but let's see. I also picked up this tray. Now I don't like this line here, but it's gonna be turned this way. So from this angle, I'm okay with the color of the wood. Nobody's gonna ever see this because of how high the shelf is. I picked these up, but they don't go with the aesthetic and the vibe of my house. My house isn't this type of like rustic wood to where I would want, yeah, no. I am at Bahama Breeze. Me and my babe are about to have some lunch. I've been to Bahama Breeze so many times. He hasn't. But anyway, I cannot wait to have some jerk wings. I've been wearing my sunnies lately, my little outfit. Y'all, I am able to wear a pair of pants that I have not been able to fit in 2 years, and I have them on today, and I just feel so amazing. I want a drink. Baby, did you get it? I want you to fall in deeper. Put your doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. What was the drink that you said?
One of them was the king pineapple, which that one is made with pineapple rum and Daisies, and the just so it is on the same that the Bahama Breeze fish. It's more so sweet.
Yummer.
My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show, 'cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you want it more, do it night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fight is if that is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue, 'cause the baddest of them is you.